家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。我觉得我现在一身大汗，我等一下回家一定要赶快洗澡哦。Yeah， 其实这是好习惯了，回到家就洗澡。You know, let's teach you phrases about, washing up and whatnot. How do you say 洗？ Say, that means to wash in general. Okay, 我一回家就馬上洗澡。When I go home, the first thing I do is take a bath.
我做那都不下，
我做那都不下，
手鹽時洗身。
手鹽時洗身。OK， 洗身就是洗身体，对不对？洗身 washing your body or taking a bath。还有另外一个习惯很好，就是睡觉前要养成
刷牙的习惯。
Yeah, let's teach you this too. You should brush your teeth before going to bed.
愛用神關洗水目前，
我用神關洗水目前。
洗牙齒。
洗牙齒 ，OK， 牙齒 that's your teeth, and then to wash it or to brush it， 其实是刷，但是也可以用洗的这个字就对了哦。洗牙齒。Let's review these terms about washing, including taking a bath, 洗澡，
洗身，
洗身 and then 刷牙 brush your teeth,
洗牙齒，
洗牙齒 and it's all about wash or 洗 say, okay? There you have it, another round of Practical Hakka for you on ICRT.
是木太家。
单字say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.